Hello, I'm Jean Goodnow. On November 3rd, Delta College will have an operating millage on the ballot. The 1/2 mil request will allow us to continue to help educate area professionals such as welders, police officers, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. For nearly 60 years, Delta College has provided training for our local workforce, and we are committed to helping all who attend. Students range from high schoolers taking dual enrollment classes to older adults returning to college to enhance their work skills. Your support of the Delta College millage impacts our local economy. A recent study shows Delta's impact is over $406 million annually. Keep in mind that 83% of Delta graduates in the last 5 years stay in Bay, Midland, and Saginaw counties. And 97% stay in Michigan, filling essential jobs. Voters' approval of this renewal and restoration levy will provide nearly $5.7 million annually to support general operations, including instructional programs, workforce training, equipment, and facility maintenance. For more information, contact DELTA.EDU/millage.